day, everyone. My name is Jimenez, your teacher in Science 6. I'm here once again to guide you in answering your Module 6. Are you now ready? Then, let's begin. Last week, we've discussed about the different methods in separating mixture. Can you still recall those lessons that we'll take? If you do, please answer the given activities or given exercises in your module. Let's try to answer this.
Identify whether the following mixture is a homogeneous or a heterogeneous mixture. Number 1, vinegar, 2 pizza pie, 3 mango shake, 4 pakbet, and 5 vegetable soup. The answers are 1 homogeneous, 2 heterogeneous, 3 homogeneous, 4 heterogeneous, and 5 heterogeneous. Identify the best method to separate the components of the given mixture. Number 1, salt and water. 2, mango seeds and palay. 3, sugar and hot water. 4, iron filing and flour. And 5, sand and palay. The answers are 1, evaporation. 2, peaking. 3, evaporation. 4, use of magnet. And 5, sieving.
What was your score? Did you take all the items correctly? Then if you do, here a star for all of you. Congratulations! Now let's have another exercises which will lead to the new lesson or to the new topic for this module. Are you now ready? Let's try to answer this.
Read the questions carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Joey opened a water refilling station and assured the people that the water is clean and safe. Which method was applied by to ensure the quality of water? 2. Nika wanted to sleep but her hair is still wet until she saw the dryer. What do you call this method of separation that causes Nika's hair to dry up? 3. Arrange the following procedures to separate a mixture of water, sand, salt, and iron filings. 4. Which of the following shows the application of removing unwanted particles from the mixture? And 5. To separate the solid components of a solution, which method will you use?
Many of the substances we use every day were actually once part of a mixture. It can be concluded that almost everything in our vicinity is nothing but a mixture of these substances. There are different mixtures, and we can classify them according to their appearance, such as homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, and we have already found out the different uses of the mixture in our daily lives. We also discussed the different methods in separating mixture previously. Now in this module, we will find out the importance of separating mixtures. Now, please answer activity 1 of your module, and then we'll find out later what is the importance of separating mixture.
Activities commonly done at home, school, and community are provided in the table. Identify the process of separating mixtures in the second column and explain the importance in the third column. Let's have number 1. Juice drink with pulp and seeds. Unwanted materials or particles? You're right, pulp and seeds. Important substance? Juice drink. Separating mixture technique to be used. Filtration. Importance in daily life. It nourishes the body. Now it's your turn to answer numbers 2 to 10.
After doing activity 1, we found out the reason why we need to separate mixture, and that is to remove unwanted particles. After removing the unwanted particles, we can obtain the pure substance that we need for several thing or event or occasion. Now, please do activity 2.
The next slide are the activities that we experience every day in separating mixture. Choose the best separating technique to be used for the following situation. Use separate paper for the flowchart of procedures. Let's take number 1 as an example. Jewel gets a glass of water and a scoop of sand. She mixes the water and the sand. After a while, her sister challenged her to separate the water and sand. How will she do this? In this example, You will use filtration as technique of separating the mixture. Now let's have the procedure. First step, let's have the water and sand mixture. Next, get a filter paper and a cloth. Next, put the cloth on the mouth of another container. Next, pour the mixture. Next, get the residue and pour it to another container.
In activity 2, you were able to identify the different techniques in separating mixtures for the given situation. You were also able to state the step-by-step procedure on how to carry out those methods. Now, please do activity 3.
In activity 3, you will need the following: bottle, vinegar, baking soda, one medium-sized balloon, and funnel. Follow the given procedures to make your experiment successful. Take an extra care in doing it. You may find the procedure on page 6 of your module. Good luck and enjoy!
In activity 3, you were able to learn how chemical reaction happen to substances. You will learn more about chemical reaction as you go to activity 4. Please do activity 4.
Study the given picture and fill out the information being asked. First picture, describe the paper before burning. What is being produced during the burning process? What is the product produced after burning? Next picture, describe the product. Is the paper and ash the same? Why or why not?
Now let's find out if you understand the lesson. Please do check your understanding on page 7 of your module.
Identify the technique of separating mixture in each picture. Give at least 2 or 3 words that will describe its importance to our daily life. Number 1, you're correct, filtration. List down 2 to 3 words that will describe its importance to us. 2, you're correct, sieving. 3, you're also correct, use of magnet. 4, that's right, evaporation. And 5, you're also correct, decantation.
To wrap up the content of Module 6, we've discussed the different techniques in separating mixtures such as evaporation, decantation, filtration, chromatography, distillation, flotation, scooping, picking, use of magnet, sieving, and many more. We also discussed that separating mixture is important, and one basic importance of this is to remove unwanted particles and to obtain pure substance that is useful to us. We also introduced the concept of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a process in which 2 or more substances combined reacted, producing new substance. Evidence that chemical reaction happens or took place include formation of gases, change in color, a new substance produced, and change in temperature. Now, please answer the post-test in your module.
Read the questions carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on the blank provided before the number. 1. Which of the following methods to get only the pure solid in a solution? The correct answer is letter D. 2. Joey opened a water refilling station and assured the people that the water is clean and safe. Which method was applied by to ensure the quality of water? The correct answer is letter C. 3. Which of the following shows the application of removing unwanted particles from the mixture? The correct answer is letter D. 4. Nika wanted to sleep but her hair is still wet until she saw the dryer. What do you call this method of separation that causes Nika's hair to dry up? The correct answer is letter C. And 5. Arrange the following procedures to separate a mixture of sand, water, salt, and iron filings. The correct answer is letter C.
That's the end of our session for today. Again, do not forget to answer all the activities that you have not answered yet together with the reflection on the last page of your module. Okay, again, I'm Ma'am Christy Jimenez, your teacher in Science 6, leaving you this message that changes are inevitable. We can't control it, but with God's guidance and hard work, a nice future awaits. Goodbye everyone. See you again next time.